Hello everyone. In this video we will see how we can check list of Python packages installed in our system. So go to search bar and open command prompt. So once you open command prompt, you can just type here Python version. And this is a Python version installed in your system. Then type pip version. And this is a pip version, and in last you can type pip list. And these are the Python packages installed in your system, you can see here. So if you like this video, subscribe my channel Tech Solution with Muzamil Raza.